Number 2, the coaches of a group of debate teams answered a survey about hours of debate, team practice, and number of wins. The graph shows the results of this survey. The x-axis, which is your independent variable, is your hours of practice per week, and your dependent is your debates won. So you can see that the debates won depend on the number of hours that they practice. So we have to figure out which of these statements is true about this scatter plot. So the first statement is there's a positive association between the number of hours of practice and the number of wins. So positive means that the more hours they practice, the more wins they have. And you can see that it's increasing as their practice hours increase, so does their debate wins. And so we call that a positive association or a positive correlation. And you can tell that the dots are going up. So that one is true. Number 2 says there is roughly a linear trend between the hours of practice and the number of wins. Remember, linear means a line, a straight line. And so if you look at these dots, and we talk about a line of best fit, which would be a line that would be pretty close to all of these points, and they're not very far from that line. And so since that holds true for this set of data, we can say that this has a linear trend. You can see how these kind of make a line as they're going up. Not a straight line, but if you look at the dots as a whole, they kind of make a line going up. So yes, it says roughly a linear trend, and it does. And then the last one says there's a negative association. Okay, well, negative means that they would be going down. So as our hours increased, our debate wins would decrease, and that's not what's happening. So this one is not true. So the following statements that are true about this are 1 and 2. So the correct answer would be D.